Hello everyone, this is Brajesh Kumar, Mathematics Mentors. Today I will select the topic of function. Function is play a very important role in case of calculus. If we understand the function, then as we studying any topic of the calculus. So suppose we consider a function. Function is a specific type of the relation. Function is a specific type of the relation. Function function is a specific type of relation. Suppose we consider a relation which is defined from set A to set B. So the rule is each and every elements of A mapped with or associate with elements of B uniquely. Okay, if any relation is follow this rule, then it is known as the function. Here many examples of the function which are present in the our surroundings. For example, suppose we consider a juice machine. Suppose if we applied the orange, it will generate a orange juice. So it is a machine. So just like that, a function is work at a specific rule. As per the rule, when we are applied any input, then it will be converted to the output. Suppose we will consider a square root function. If we consider 4 as our input, then the output will be plus minus. So it is the basic meaning of the function. Now we will consider practical approach of the function. We already told that suppose we consider a machine which are a juicer, then it will be generate the juice as per the input. Now we will consider another example of the practical example of the function. Suppose we will consider a machine which generate a cloth machine. Suppose we supply the cotton, then it will be converted into the shirt. Then it also work a function. It machine also work a function. So function is just nothing. It is just like a machine. Every machine wants to the input which convert to the output. So as per the machine rule, the function is also take a input function, and after applying the formula, after applying the logics, it will be converted to the output. Now we will consider the another topic which are related to the function, and that is the how do we know any given expression is a function. For this, there is a one rule which are depend upon the graphical rule. Suppose we draw the graph of any function, then how do we know it is a function or not? So it is known as the name of vertical line test. In case of vertical line test, first we draw the graph of the given function, and after that we will draw a line which is parallel to the y-axis. If these lines are intersect function at the single point, I repeat my statement. If the line is intersect the function at a single point, then it is 100% function. For example, if we consider a y equal to x square, it is the vertical test for function. Suppose we consider the y equal to x square. We know that this is the graph of y equal to x square. Now, if we draw a line which is parallel to the y-axis, any number of lines which are parallel to the y-axis, then we see that these lines are intersect the graph of x square at a single point. If we consider this point as an input, then it is the output. If the input is changed, then output also be changed. Either here x3, the output is y3. Here the output is x4, then the output is y4. Here is input is x5, then output is y5. So we can easily say that y equal to x square is a function. Now we will consider another example of the indeed expression, and that is x square upon a square, y square upon b square equal to 1. We already know that it is the ellipse. So we draw the ellipse. Then it is the ellipse. It is the major axis, and the coordinate of a comma 0 minus a comma 0. It is a minor axis, and the coordinate of endpoints is 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b. If we draw any line which is parallel to the y-axis, then at a single input it generates the two different outputs. Suppose it is x1, then it is generate y1 and y2. It is x2, then it will generate in the y3 and y4. So here the input is converted into the twice output. So as per the, if we consider fx, then f of x1, it is implies that y1 and y2, and f of x2 is mapped or associated with the y3 and y4. So we can say that it is not a function. It is not a function because as per the rule of function, any inputs have a unique output. Suppose these two are the inputs quantity, then it will be generate the dual output. So it is not considered as a function, but it is a relation. It is a relation. And in the first case, x square is considered as a function and as a relation. Both are. So this is the vertical test for the function. Now we will discuss the terminology. What are the terminology which are used in the case of function? In case of terminology, first terminology is pre-image and image. Pre-image and image. So what are the concept of pre-image and the image? Suppose we consider a function which is defined from a to b, then it is work like that. It is made with the like that. So all the elements. This is the pre-image. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3, and it is A. With the pre-image of A, it is written like that. F inverse A equal to 1, F inverse A equal to 1 equal to 2 equal to 3. And the image, in case of concept of image, these are the image, these are the pre-image, then it will be written like that. The image of 1 is A, the image of 2 is also A, the image of 3 is also A. A question is arrived in the student mind. It is a function. Yes, it is also a function. Why it is a function? Here three inputs are available and it generates a single output. So it have a unique image, that is a. It also have a unique image, that is a. It also has a unique image, and that is a. This is the basic concept of the function. Thank you.